Hi guys and girls, dctmakes here. Look, we've got a wheelchair file. That's not wheelchair England, that's wheelchair 1960s era Australia. Flat second cut. This is a spare file. The manufacturer spare file, I think, definitely made in England. Flat square type pattern. This one is a Stubbs, again made in England, and this is an FB Tools, also made in England. I'm going to try and clean them up. They've been sitting at the bottom of a toolbox, machinist toolbox, for years. I don't think this one's coming back, but you just do one and then you see if you can actually bring them back. Getting a little noisy here. The most flat files and machinist and metal files have cuts this way and this way on the push stroke. You don't normally necessarily pull a file back, so you push through, lift off, pull back, push through, lift off, pull back, especially on metal. So you may have to do two, so you just take a look at it, see where the actual cutting ridges are, and you may find some that are this way on a file that's really dirty. You didn't even know they were there. Give it a quick spritz off. Brake cleaner, WD. And that'll show up what you didn't get off. And you see there, it's either damaged or there's particulates in it. These look possibly damaged. Then it's not of much use at that point. I'll throw the spare file and we'll see what that one looks like. This is what it looks like before I touch it. Be careful when you're putting files in the vise. Not too tight, not terribly tight. There you can see the cutting surface starting to come up. This one might be actually worth saving. Give it a spritz off. And there you can see it's just started to come back. Yeah, reasonable file. There is a little bit of damage. You get compacted metal, especially near the edges. But you work at it, you can maybe bring a nice old file back. Like I say, this one's from the 60s. That's it. Throwing tips out there. See you guys. Bye.